Hello, Andrew Eifert here. Today I'm going to talk about this Fender 12, Champ 12, I should say. This particular amplifier, I bought it originally in the late 80s. I'm probably about, 1988, maybe 1989, I don't know. And I bought it as a practice amp because, my gigging amp, which is that Fender Marshall behind there, that Marshall 50 watt, was at the practice space all the time. So I needed an amplifier to practice at home. And I bought this brand new in the store and just kind of fell in love with it. It's a great little amp, and you will see when I start playing it. It's a 2-channel amp. It does have reverb. It's kind of weird because the 2 channels actually share the same tone settings, and it has this treble or bright switch, pull treble lights, and it has, of course, the foot stomp for the lead switch. This particular model, I put in a Eddie Van Halen 20 watt Celestion, and I think it's made, a lot of improvement to the sound. It's a pretty expensive speaker, and it just sounds really good with this. And the older it gets, the older the speaker gets, the better it sounds. And that's what happens when you buy a brand new speaker. You have to break it in. So it's just going to keep better. It's just going to get better as time goes on. Anyway, let's just get to how this bad boy sounds. We got the volume all the way up on this bad boy. Because it's a low wattage amplifier, of course, when you start turning things up, it will get some breakup. So this is, I don't have the volume on my guitar up all the way. The microphone on my cell phone here, it obviously has a compression limiter on it, so you won't be able to tell the different volume levels between the thing. Probably you won't be able to notice it anyway, but it's going to pick up the sound, but you'll be able to hear everything. But here we go. That's just. Sound. Here it is all the way up. Let's just hit the little treble boost on it. Probably can't tell, but it actually kind of makes it a little louder. channel for the most part. Here we go to the dirty channel. I mean, that's the dirty channel, and that volume is only on 3, and the gain is on a little past 2. And so, that's like, let me just crank this bad boy up a bit. Hopefully it won't get all microphonic on me. I turn the gain all the way up. Let's turn the volume up more. So you can see this bad boy cranks. And, it's going to be for sale on Reverb and Craigslist, Washington, D.C. So let me know what you think.